Hello kids. Oh, what is that? It is a road cleaner. It is cleaning the roads. Oh, what is going on? Ah, a brick is coming. Ah, the second one. What is it going to be? A windmill?